there. I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to our channel Youth Club Inspiring the Youth. So guys, I am finally back with a series of videos for you guys as you requested me to make a series of videos over how to speak English. जी हाँ, मैं आ गया हूँ फिर नई एक सीरीज के साथ वीडियोस की जिसमें कि आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ कि कैसे हम लोग इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं, कैसे हम अपनी लैंग्वेज को सुधार सकते हैं और कैसे हम इजीली खुद को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं औरों के सामने. As it is the need of every Indian, because हम लोग हिंदी अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं, फ्लुएंटली बोलते हैं, अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज जो होती है, लोकल लैंग्वेजेस सब में हम अच्छे से बोलते हैं. बट जहां बात आती है इंग्लिश की, we have to face a lot of things. So here's the solution, our channel and this series which I am going to bring for you guys. तो चलिए बिना टाइम की शुरू करते हैं गाइस. तो आप लोगों का क्वेश्चन था ना कि कैसे शुरू करें, कैसे सीखें इंग्लिश. तो द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट यू हैव टू इंप्रूव योर वोकैबुलरी. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू इंप्रूव योर वोकैबुलरी. एक्चुअली द थिंग इज दैट how you have to improve your vocabulary, I will let you know about the various words which are used in our daily lives in the upcoming videos, and you yourself has to try at home. You have to go through the various books, articles, movies, songs and whatever you can do in order to get more and more words and adding them to your dictionary. So let's begin guys. What you actually have to do if you want to put an impact, just like if you want to be professional at English, you have to learn vocabulary. Why vocabulary? Because if you want the quality in your language, then you have to learn vocabulary. For example, I am having these three sentences written here. The first one is the baby is very cute. So the thing is that you have to remove the use of very. You can't use very every time, but as a beginner you can. But when we move on to the professional ones, we have to remove these words. Okay, so for that we need a vast vocabulary. If we do not have vocabulary, we cannot replace this word very. So just like if we talk about this example, we can replace this very cute from the word adorable. I can say the baby is adorable. Okay, and now let us move on to the next example, which is I am very tired. We can simply replace very tired with the word exhausted. So you can write I am exhausted. And when we move to our third example, just have a look at it. This meeting is very important. We can replace this word very important with a single word which is crucial. Okay, and now you can see your sentence are much qualitative. As if you want to make your speaking skills qualitative, you have to improve your vocabulary. Just look at the sentences once again. The baby is adorable. Now it's looking so fabulous. And I am very exhausted. It's looking like a professional sentence. And when we move up to this meeting is very important, and we have replaced very important with the word crucial. It sounds amazing. So guys, what you have to do is you have to improve your vocabulary as much as you can. So in order to improve your vocabulary, you have to follow me. I am going to provide you the words, phrases, idioms which you can use in your daily life in order to enhance your skills. So if you are new to this channel, you have to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so that you can easily get the notifications for our videos, and you have to be determined if you want to enhance your speaking skills. Okay, now let us move on to the second point. So the second tip, trick or method to enhance your English speaking is that book. Try to read as much as you can guys. Books makes your word power easy. Okay, if you will read more, you will earn the words or sentence more. If you do not know the meaning of that word, just go through the dictionary and store it in your brain. Enhance your memory power, enhance your vocabulary as much as you can. I see most of you guys, you are following various Hindi meme pages, various other pages over Instagram, Facebooks and all. Why don't you follow those pages which provides various types of poetries and sentence formations and other articles which are really helpful in order to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. So what you have to do is that you have to read as much as you can. Book really helps you to make your word power easy. So acquire as much as words from the books. Try to read as much as books as you can. It doesn't matter whether they are related to your syllabus or not. You have to read the books. Either they are comics, novels, or either they are related to your subjects or which you are studying in your schools. So you have to just read the books, get some new words. If you do not know the meaning, go through the vocabulary or dictionary, just acquire them and use them whenever necessary. So here's the point number 3. Be curious. Yes guys, it's the most important aspect in order to learn how to speak in English. Why so? As we can relate it, whenever we try to speak in English in front of anyone, they will be like, "Bada Angrez ban raha hai." And sometimes they abuse. I know it very well. But actually, what you have to do is you have to neglect these people. I will provide you some applications, links where you can try to speak in English, where you can talk to the other people in English. Okay, so don't worry about it. But never hesitate to represent yourself in English, and you have to be open and you have to try to speak in English so that you can enhance your speaking skills. So guys, it doesn't matter whether you are wrong or right. No one is born perfect. So everyone makes mistake, you too can. So just try to do mistake, improve them and be curious. If you are not curious in order to learn English, you cannot learn it at all. First you have to try to generate curiosity. Just like when you used to play Subway Surfer, you are curious about collecting more and more coins. Just like when you play BGMI, PUBG mobile game, you are curious to get the kill. You run after the bot before your teammates can kill that bot. So actually, you have to create same curiosity in order to learn English. You have to be curiosity to collect as much as words as you can. So be curious in order to collect more and more words so that you can enhance your vocabulary. You can use them whenever you need them and just remember them. Okay, so let's move further. So now as we are moving further, I want to let you know that how you can form sentence and how you can enhance your sentence formation skills. So guys, I know everyone hesitates when he or she tries to speak in English. Nothing comes to mind. The most important thing which you have to follow is that keep your nerves in control. Be comfortable, calm and stable. Because all of you know that if you are gonna make mistake, no one is gonna hang you up for that. Okay? कोई लटका नहीं देगा भाई तुम्हें गलती के लिए. तो गलती करने से मत डरो. अपनी नर्व्स को कंट्रोल में रखो. गलती हो सकती है, कोई बात नहीं है. It's fair. The one step is that until or unless you want to change yourself, nothing is gonna change. It will remain as the past. अगर आपको खुद को चेंज करना है तो भाई शुरुआत तो करनी होगी, और शुरुआत करना चाहते हो तो भाई गलतियां करना शुरू करो, सुधार लाओ. जब तक मजाक नहीं बनेगा तब तक अंदर से फील भी नहीं होगा कि वास्तव में मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है. So guys, you have to do it, and yes, believe in me, we can together achieve it. Okay, so as I told you that I can tell you how you can conversate in English. If you are not finding the people who could talk to you in English and you feel like they will make fun of you, so here's the application which is Cambly. And you know, I'm not doing any promotion. It's non-promotional video. So it's an application where you can talk to the people in English. all type of those people who want to learn English and they are trying to speak in English are there, and they are not gonna judge you at all. So you can try this application, install it and have mock calls over it, okay? And consume English in which you have fun, okay? It's the greatest idea. Actually, when we used to consume English, when it's nothing like fun, it becomes boring. So what you have to do is just take it as a fun and learn as much as possible and as much as possible, okay? So it's the best way. Take them as a fun, okay? And the second thing is that practice speaking English as much as possible, okay? So if you will keep practicing, if you will keep talking, just you can try to stand in front of mirror, you can record yourself in the camera while trying to introduce yourself or speaking on any topic, okay? And now let's move on to the fourth trick, which is become a die-hard fan of English drama, poetry, movies and songs. Yes guys, it's the one of the best ideas you could ever have. कहते ना कि भाई मुझे ये हीरो पसंद है, I like this hero very much, okay? So it's just like that. If you will try to be die-hard fan of them, you can easily watch their movies, okay? Just you can go through YouTube. There is also the CC option. You can switch it on, okay, in the Hindi language, where you can understand what they are trying to say. You have to try to catch their accent as well. And if you do not know the meaning of the word or sentence they are saying, you can just have a glimpse over the subtitles floating down the videos, okay? So it's the best way. First of all, you have to make a die-hard fan. Just like I'm curious about reading new quotes, new poems, new love quotes and all, okay? So I used to follow most of the pages over Instagram. Just like poems on is there, erotic cities there, many more pages just like that, which have amazing English quotes and lines, which you can easily choose to learn or you can read in order to enhance your English or to gain as much as words as you can. You can also watch English dramas and you could listen English songs, just like you are a fan of AP Dylan. Yes, in current AP Dylan is very famous, you know. Everyone is just like fumbling over his songs. So what you have to do is you have to just get a fan following whom you can follow. You have to be a die-hard fan of someone whom you can follow, to whose song you must listen to, whose movies you should watch, which are in English, okay? So I hope for the best, guys, and in the upcoming videos we are going to throw you a lecture directly, and in which we are going to learn about the basics. Guys, the most important thing I want to tell you is that सब कुछ बेसिक होगा यारो, बिल्कुल बेसिक से लेके चलूंगा मैं, तो जिसको आता है ना वो भी देखे, क्योंकि मैं उस बेसिक्स में भी ना ऐसी ऐसी चीजें निकाल के लाऊंगा जो कि आपको नहीं आती होंगी, जो आप पहली बार पढ़ेंगे। तो जो आपको लगता है ना कि ये ए एंड आर्टिकल पढ़ा रहा है, वोवेल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स पढ़ा रहा है, उसमें भी कुछ ऐसा लेके आऊंगा जो आपको पता नहीं होगा। इफ यू वांट टू एनहांस योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन स्किल्स, इफ यू वांट टू नो द एग्जैक्ट यूज ऑफ वर्ड्स, अगर बात करें ना ए एंड के यूज की, वो भी लोगों को ढंग से नहीं आता है, तो अगर सीखना है तो भाई बने रहना हर एक वीडियो में और ट्राई टू गेट एज मच एज यू कैन, बिकॉज समटाइम्स वी डू नॉट नो इवन स्मॉल थिंग्स। तो भाई कुछ भी छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है, एकदम बिगिनिंग के लेके चलेंगे, सभी को साथ में लेके चलेंगे। सो गाइस, अगर न्यू हो चैनल पे तो प्लीज जाके हिट करो सब्सक्राइब बटन को और बेल आइकन को और फॉलो को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, इट इज Gyan Pandit 07, and if you have any queries or doubt you can directly move on to the links of my various portals where you can directly have your questions sorted out with me. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks.
Thank you.